Hey guys, Justin with Rebel Decal. I'll show you how to put on a one panel graphic. This one's going on the door, the back door. We have them window graphics, you saw those. We have hood graphics, but I'm just gonna show you one for a door. So we've already cleaned the surface with 70% alcohol. We've got the graphic where we want it. Now I'm just gonna finish taping it and we're gonna get to installing. So I just gonna peel the graphic or the backing paper back about halfway. Hold it dead center. Take your squeegee, start in the center. Work your way up. I'm gonna go ahead and shoot the rest of this backing paper off. Just make it a little easier for me. Good. Start in the middle, work your way up. Now that we've got the whole thing squeegeed, we're going to squeegee it one more time. Nice even pressure. Now we're just going to peel the masking tape off. Again, when you're peeling masking tape, make sure you stay close to the vehicle or whatever you're putting on. You don't want to peel too fast. You don't want to rip it. Make yourself a little handle there. And there we go. It's on.